I'm not Chanel keeper. Don't ask me for Chanel. Tell them something I have nothing to do with Chanel. I'm serious about it. What not do, guys? Don't have to make so much noise. Zoe, bed. Bed. Seriously, bed. Play much. You KFC a man in your mother. But night no KFC a man. Cooking, you have to get something to cook. Hey, good night, what? I like have the AC. God knows AC that kill me. Make it cold. You bless in Jesus' name. Yeah, I go rest soon. Really, I go rest soon. Yeah, I come in used to it for true. True, you talk. Love you, baby. I come in used to it. So it mess me up. Yeah, reach home. Remember, it's anyway. Every that you do. Amen. Kim, pick up yourself. Just give Chanel one more try. No, me not deal with Chanel again. Chanel too embarrassing. I know me have my ways, but I like how I can't do it no more. Right now, a whole heap of things I want to drop. A lot of little things more out of my way when I needed. I don't want to do Chanel. She just not genuine. I can't know that. She not genuine. She just me plain. She know me inside out. Me all in her bathroom, my bed, and she come in there, me naked. I can take off my clothes right in front of her and do what I do. I show you how close we is. But see ways that she have, but I can't take it. I can't take it no more. And I can't not there for see. Me will show you for my dirty ways, and everything about me. But then everybody I go show you how them really stay. But just decide me not deal with it. I'm going to tell my son the truth. I'm going to talk to my son since night again. I can't stop them. Because I see what I want. But I tell the girl straight. Tell her when I can't tell her, I tell her the right thing. Leave that alone. I tell my son the straight truth. I know I'm nothing more to do with this. I'm not nothing to do with Chanel. Them supposed to grow. They have opportunity where they can do something with it right now. I put myself through shame and pain. I put myself through many things. I don't found know. I sit down and cry. I struggle when I go through sometimes I eat. And now them did it. You see them family where people look down upon. People family where then dog way out when I'm not body. I'm a company media, I'm be myself, I'm showing every fucking thing. I don't hide nothing from you. Because I just want to help me and no family. So now them come and they say they have a look way out. Them are not pitney. Them are not fucking pitney. So them must can use them head. push themselves out there, who want to go bust a business, go run a business, who want to do that, go do that. Me join everybody. Everybody. Because them a feel me. I put myself through a lot. Just because I want them comfortable. I ain't crying. I not cry about nothing. I not cry. I swear to you, I not cry. I not cry. I see my big son with me, though, I rate that. Since I see me and him sit down and all a reason, you know, I love that. He talk to me. I love that, I swear. A long time I see me and my big son reason, you know, while I talk. I know all the people not like me, you know, but that's okay. I not wait for nobody like him, I not wait for nobody love. I not wait for that for nobody. You understand? All of we not born with gold spoon in our mouth. If we come and we have to struggle for it. So right now, I see them a diss me. Well, heap of them a diss me right now because I'm viral. Or them say me a trending right now. So whole heap of people put down my family. All this time I dey on TikTok, dirty family. No grown then dirty people they. Them are no body. Yo, me listen to all of these words where come out of their mouth. Dirty family that. Them are no body. Don't go around them. You understand me? They not have this, they not have that. Me I work hard for give them me. Me I work hard for give them a fucking life. I want them to have that because me never have that the life they. And then deserve it. All of them deserve it. I not come out here so I never pretend with nobody on this. You see me? I just be myself. You see things and where people are worried about and where people are stressed about. Those are things that can be fixed. It's so pathetic, I swear. You understand? So one of the reasons why I never did take out my teeth are because of my pressure. I have high blood pressure. Enough people don't know, enough people on my stream know. I'm not really depend on medication, so when time I go a clinic, when I go a dentist, then tell me say my pressure have to depend on a level for it before it can come out. I always want to come out, but I'm afraid because my pressure never level. So my pressure will be up at like 290 at some time, maybe 220 and 95. So when I go to dentist, then I want to brush my teeth. And where people really look for something because they want to drag me down. Because they want to put me down because they say me I try out. I tell you the truth, you know, I'm not going to stop trying, I swear to God. I'm not going to stop trying. I'm not stop until the last breath in me. I'm determined. I'm so fucking determined because I know there's something out there for me. No matter what nobody say, something is out there for me. Just like how something out there for everybody in the world here. You understand? I never see nobody get up and say, all right then, come at me and you go XYZ and did it for you the way you have to do. But me I go do it. Me I go do it. Sometimes I just pay mind every day, just work hard and push myself and make sure say me youth then good. You get me? But sometimes I don't really pay myself mind, like I don't really pray myself sometimes. Sometimes I just start doing what I have to do. Things that people want to put me down about, things can be fixed. But I know say you can't fix nothing on the dirty heart. Enough on the dirty heart out there. Can't fix a bumbo clot. Enough on a bad mind. Can't fix. You see when a person have dirty heart and bad mind, I just eat that. Simple things I want to worry about, and when I don't have time for worry about, I swear to you for my life. I don't have that the opportunity there. I don't have them the opportunity there for worry about simple things. You understand? You see when a person come to me and feel like say you can put me down with my simple flaws, I rather work towards it and make myself better. You didn't know say in the comment section one time when you bash me. When you didn't know say I want energy my work off of. I wonder if you don't know that. I not had nobody. Me not had nobody. I not had nobody wanna feel like you can't come here so come disrespect me. Yeah. I'm good. I one thing, me know say me a girl have rotten teeth but my mouth not stink. Ask anybody around me. And one thing me know say, me have my rotten teeth in my mouth. And me know say my mouth not stink, baby. But you know me not dwell upon that. Me not dwell upon it, because I eat what I want. You know what me I go do? Me I go make it be a topic. Me I go make it be a topic. And me I go make it be a big topic for me. And worry on yourself, man. Continue bash me. Continue bash me. I work off on the energy. I never did know that. I never know that though. Seeing people them will bash me, I want to see them and give me encouragement for doing the right thing. Seeing people will try to put me down, I want to give me burning desire in my soul for prove it and make it. So you know me rate to know? I rate to know you fuck. Yeah man. Enough respect to haters them here. Enough respect to haters, enough respect to dirty bad mind people. Yeah man. What time now? 1 o'clock. I'm not going to husband. I'm not going to bed. I bring my pressure down. Lemon water. No, what I go do is because I have high pressure, right? No, I garlic no work. The garlic no work for me. What I go do, I think I go just go visit. I go just do it from what everybody I tell me upon my stream when it's time for go visit the doctor, I never go. So I guess I have a trip for go to the doctor and pick up my medication. I think it's a good thing too because I just continue to push myself, but I don't put myself on medication none time. So as I say, when it does a work, I think you put it in a right and proper direction. Because nobody knows say I'm not on medication, not even my kids them. Not even my kids them know say I'm not on medication. Because I don't really tell them. I just, you know. Sometimes I just forget or I just look past it. So I think the best thing I do is a guy doctor. Stop drink so much. You know, I didn't know you're not going to say so. I swear to God. I know you're not going to say so. I'm not supposed to drink. I think the last time I visited the doctor, they tell me, say, the reason why my pressure spike because they can't find nothing in my blood is because of the drinking. So they say the alcohol spiky. And sometimes I have a drink or me go out, as well you see me go out and have a drink and such, if it's true. So I think there's a limit. But when I start on my medication, I can't go drink none at all. Like none at all. Yep. Yeah, that then say. Yeah, they say. She said, drink. Lemon in it. Drink coconut water with a little bit of lemon in it. I tell you, say, I feel like I go back. No feel like I go back for medication. So I go ask Jabba morning. I don't know if he have a private doctor, but I ask him for one doctor up that way here. And I go there tomorrow. So I guess tomorrow I just deal with some things to myself. When I 12 o'clock hours, because at the time the private doctor open. Because I can't go to pharmacy go pick up anything. They're not going to give me. So I doctor have to make sure so I get it. You don't want to come? You want to come in here? Is that me? Who that a sing? Mika Boo. Mika Boo always a sing. Javas and the relationship me up. The relationship nice, me like it. The relationship nice. Nothing wrong with the relationship. Me like we starting it and me know it go end up good. Me approve. Me approve she happy. The happy. Nothing wrong with that. The happy. You know, she says smile, it look calm. Her smile just look real. You give a fuck if you want kiss your teeth. You give a fuck if you want kiss your teeth. It is a prank. A prank. Oh, somebody they are black for me. Thank you. Why you think a prank? Come on, that's not a prank. You might tell you have to can't tell a friend the truth. Wait about. I understand what you say now. On a prank. It's not a prank, bro. Let the people them. Listen to me. Let the people in relationship alone. Hey, you know me hate people that on social media and hate for people have relationship like. Come on. There's any time when I just relax and happy for somebody. Love you, Annie. Enough love, baby. We love you. I believe a lot of you people love me for true. I'm love you guys too. Especially one who will support me. Alright, so I guess when I help me set some things in place. I have an opening, guys. I have an opening. But I feel like I don't want to talk about it because people fight me so fucking much. I don't want to put it on the media. I get support, you know. But come like when you come out, you come. Is it me? And that's how you get the support. But I can't watch that. I may have a opening and come up. I just want to focus. Honestly, there's so many things that my face jump around and do. But first thing I got to do, I got a doctor tomorrow. So I guess you guys are coming with me, don't what? We got a doctor first tomorrow. We are going, when you don't want to come, I track you guys with me. Think that I can make me good tomorrow. And just go and get my little checkup and see what they say. Yes, honey. That's it, right? Bitch, we have to go to the doctor first before we go to the dentist, stupid. How much time we there start talking deaf? We have to go to the freaking doctor first before dentist. Alright? How much time I say that? Acting like you deaf. You deaf? No, you're mistaken. Me know it's a dentist or doctor, but me, as I said, I'm gonna have to explain to you. You will see what I do. I have to go to the doctor first before I visit the dentist. So if you have understanding, you understand what I say. Right? I'm not want to argue with nobody. I'm in an arguing mode. Alright? I'm just there for a reason. When I talk about KFC, yeah, where KC bought where the fuck you talk about KTC? Where am I talk about? A good thing me slow to blood clot. The way you talk about? I don't know if fuck you talk about, and God know me glad me not care. Me dey think of KFC, cause me I say KFC tomorrow. I say I lie. I think me think I can got KFC. Cause me dey start think about barbecue chicken. Me nah lie no, all along me see I put in me I say like KFC. Barbecue chicken, extra spicy. Me not have a problem once I buy. KFC have 2 for 1 tomorrow. Like, me nah no pot, me nah have to go there. Stress cause high blood pressure. Yeah, when I think a lot. When I think about a lot of stuff, or as we said, when you smoke or when you drink, it can cause high blood pressure too also. I not lock off a comment. I'm more than lock off a comment. I not lock off a comment. I'll when I type in, they say, Annie eat shit. I not lock off my comment. I would never lock off my fucking comment, bro. I'm sick. I ain't locking off my comment. Making people then talk, you crazy? Life too fucking nice. Why the hell me I gotta lock off my comment? Life nice here. I say if you not go there so with me till 2 o'clock if you not go on the bed. AC don't no. AC I give me cool. AC make my horse up. You should have a family meeting. Why? Why? Oh God, whenever I go read out that comment there, but I chew hair tag. Me know what you, man. It eat as well your jaw. And it eat as well your jaw. It eat as well your pussy. It eat as well my jaw. It eat as well your pussy. That me do. You're on the bed for go. You're on the bed for go. And that be what I do. Hey, there's a fuck road me. You're on the bed. Girl, me there with some mix-up people and some troublemaker and them something there. Me there with be a mix-up, me no know. And them not got them bed and just mix up and enough and them in my mouth. So we there talk about the mouth. We are talk about the teeth for take out. We are talk about family meeting. Hey, a person with a family meeting, why can you say that? A person with a family meeting, if you would, sure, we would be sleeping. You better have sense. Sometimes, I tell you something, you know, sometimes I feel like I don't want to sleep. I swear to God, and sometimes it bother me. Annie, I not ask the person about a family meeting. You see?